You want to create high-quality videos in just 5 minutes and earn up to $30 a day. No filming, no editing skills required. David AI World will walk you through every step to use VideoGen effectively. Just open your screen and follow along. Make sure to watch the entire video. Missing even one tiny detail could mean missing something super important. Receipt 1. Visit the VideoGen website. Click on this link, https://videogen.io/via=a David Long. You'll also find it in the video description or pinned comment below. Don't worry, this is the official link from the company. By signing up through this link, you may receive exclusive perks if available. Plus, you'll be supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Step 2. Choose to sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. I recommend using Google Login. It's quick and easy. No need to remember a password. The homepage of VideoGen has a simple and user-friendly interface. Here are the main components of the site and what each menu does. Business solutions. Tools and solutions tailored for businesses using VideoGen. 2. Top bar. Create a video. Start a brand new video project. Invite teammates. Invite team members to collaborate on video projects. Refer and earn. Access your affiliate tools to earn money by sharing VideoGen. Create a template. Build a reusable video template for future projects. Key features of VideoGen with examples. 1. Standard video library, 500K plus clips. Details. A massive stock video library with over 500,000 ready-to-use clips. You can search by topic to match your video content. Example. Making a sports video? Search for clips of surfing, football, or jogging and easily add them to your project. 2.A iImage Generator Pro feature details. This feature lets you create custom images using AI. Just describe what you want, and the AI will generate it for you. Example. For a tech-related video, ask the AI to create futuristic images like robots, smart cities, or innovative gadgets. 3. iStock Premium Library, 12 million plus clips. Details. Access over 12 million premium, high-quality video clips from iStock, perfect for professional projects like ads or corporate videos. Example, making a high-end product commercial? Use stunning shots of cityscapes, models, or luxury items. 4. Upload your own media. Details. Upload videos or images directly from your device, giving you full control over custom content. Example, already have your own ad footage? Upload and edit it easily within VideoGen.
Looking to start earning from YouTube or Facebook quickly and effectively? Just sign up for one of VideoGen's plans using the link I shared below. I'm using it myself. It saves so much time. And you can create professional videos in just minutes. By signing up through this link, you might also get special perks. And it's a way to support me too. Thank you so much.
4. Upload your own media. Details. Upload videos or images directly from your device, giving you full control over custom content. Example, already have your own ad footage? Upload and edit it easily within VideoGen. 5. Import from URL. Details, paste a video or image URL, e.g. from YouTube or a website, to directly import it into your project. Example, found a YouTube clip you want to reuse? Just paste the link and let VideoGen fetch it for you. 6. Clip pace, speed control. Details. Adjust the playback speed of any video clip, slow motion or fast forward to create specific effects. Example, want to highlight a runner's stride? Slow it down for dramatic emphasis. 7. Landscape mode, 16:9. Details. Use the widescreen aspect ratio, 16:9. Ideal for YouTube and most online video platforms. Example, creating a travel vlog? This mode gives your footage a cinematic look that's YouTube ready. 8. Templates. Details. Choose from a variety of pre-made video templates to speed up your production process. Example, making a product promo? Select a ready-made ad template, swap in your own content, and you're done. With these features, you can create professional quality videos fast. No advanced editing skills required. Try each one to see how it can upgrade your video production today. Step 3. Enter your content keyword. Simply type the keyword for the topic you want to make a video about into the search bar. For example, if you want to create a video on the topic Ways to Make Money Online,
How to spend money wisely. Trying to make money on YouTube to support my wife and kids? Just type that phrase into the search bar.
US English. This is where you choose the language and voice accent for your video. Examples: US English American accent. You can also choose British English, Spanish, French, and more. Choose English if you're targeting an international audience. Very short. This refers to the length of the video script that VideoGen will generate. Available options include very short, under 30 seconds, short, 30-60 seconds, medium, 1 to 2 minutes, long, over 2 minutes. Pro tip: if you're just starting out, go with a short version. It's quicker to test and easier to publish. The input box where you type, finally, click the red arrow, upload button to start generating your video content. Step 6. Choose a voiceover. You can choose either a male or female voice, and there are multiple voice styles to pick from. Depending on your target audience, select a voice that fits the tone. Personally, I like using a warm, friendly female voice. It feels more natural and relatable. Edit the content, if needed. Once the system generates a video draft, you're free to edit the script however you like. Does a sentence sound off? You can tweak it. Want to make the tone more cheerful or more serious? No problem. Want to add a personal story or a strong call to action? Just drop it in. In short, you have full control over the content before producing the final video. Ready to create your final video? When everything looks good, just hit the Create Video button. At this stage, VideoGen will automatically combine the voiceover, visuals, and script. All done for you, hands-free.
Smart money management is about making choices today that benefit you tomorrow. Start by creating a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money goes each month. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, like credit cards, to avoid unnecessary interest charges. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, ideally enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living costs. Invest in your future by contributing regularly to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, taking advantage of any available employer match. Consider spending on experiences and education, which can provide lasting value and personal growth. Shop thoughtfully, distinguishing between needs and wants, and look for quality over quantity. Use technology to your advantage by setting up automatic savings and using apps to monitor your financial health. By making intentional, informed choices, you can stretch your dollars further and build.
Step 1. Come up with your video idea. The first step in creating any video is to have a solid idea. Think about your target audience and what kind of content they'd enjoy. For example, let's say you want to make a video about a group of elderly Americans exercising in a park. They're wearing black shorts and white t-shirts, and there's a joyful atmosphere with birds chirping in the background. The scene also features 2 cute white dogs playfully joining in on the exercises and a pair of pigeons flying by. The elderly people are happily singing cheerful songs while exercising. Sounds fun, right? Step 2. Write a detailed prompt for AI tools. Once you have your idea, you can start crafting a detailed prompt for AI tools like ChatGPT. Here's an example prompt. Write a script for a video where 10 elderly Americans are exercising in a park in the morning. They wear black shorts and white t-shirts. One elderly man stands between each elderly woman. The atmosphere is cheerful and their faces reflect happiness. Birds are chirping in the background and 2 cute white dogs are playing and exercising with the group. A pair of pigeons fly by as they exercise, and the group sings cheerful songs. Step 3. Use VideoGen AI to create the video. Once you have your script, head over to VideoGen AI, paste the script into the input field, and select the desired style and music. VideoGen will take care of the rest, automatically creating a video for you in no time. The process is quick and straightforward, making it perfect for people who want to create videos fast and without much hassle. Step 5. Download and share. Once your video is created, you can download it to your computer and upload it to YouTube or any other platform to start earning money or sharing your content. So there you have it, 2 amazing AI tools for creating videos: VideoGen AI for quick, easy content creation, and Veo3 for cinematic, high-quality videos. If you're looking to make money on YouTube, I highly recommend VideoGen. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for creating videos that get clicks. But if you want to make something truly extraordinary, Veo3 is the way to go. Let me know in the comments which tool you think is better for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to David AI Word for more awesome AI tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video. Comment below, which AI tool do you prefer for creating videos? Let's discuss.
Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more AI content.